Welcome to Crash Course Hotels. Welcome back. This is the Fairfield by Marriott, Bali Kuta on Sunset Road. As you can see, they have a very open and large lobby area for you to check in. They also have a market up by the lobby, which is nice. All right, stepping into our room, you can see they have a water dispenser. Of course, you got your mini fridge. They hooked me up with a bucket of beer when I checked in. I've been staying at a few more Marriotts recently. That was nice. Here's a look at the room. We got a little bear on the bed. Here we have our closet with your robes and your iron and ironing board. My infamous travel vest that I love to hate and can't get rid of. There you have the hair dryer as well as the safe. Some extra space there for drawers. Decent sized room and a nice little couch off to the side. You also have a couch outside next to the pool. We'll take a look at that in a moment. But it's definitely a comfortable room. I enjoyed my stay here quite a bit. Stepping into the bathroom. As you can see, typical Southeast Asia bathroom. Moderate counter space, probably could use a little bit more. Nice shower, good shower head. Plenty of room there in the bathroom. This is outside the room right next to the pool. You have a little outdoor couch and you do have a sliding glass door there where you can just open up your room and step outside to the pool, which is nice. Of course, they have additional seating around the pool as well as towels. Across the way there, they have a poolside bar. But it's nice to have that right outside your room. If you're enjoying the video, make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Now back to the review. Let's take a look at the fitness center. Good spacious fitness center at this hotel. Of course, they have plenty of towels set up for you in there, as well as a water dispenser and paper cups. You can see we got the treadmills, an elliptical. I have a hang bar over here to the left. That was a nice feature. Haven't seen that in a lot of gyms. There you go. Some more machines as well as a load of free weights there. And just as importantly, plenty of room. And you can see you got a view out to the pool. You can see everybody out there having fun while you're trying to get your workout in. Speaking of the pool, got your showers right next to the side here. Some interesting design there, right? Haven't seen any place that has the showers quite like that. There we can see the staff. This is still in the morning. They're all putting out all the extra chairs and getting the area set up for the guest. Let's take a look at breakfast. You can see they gave me a nice little drink there. They have stuff set up for breakfast inside and outside at this location. That kind of changes up depending on the day. So you can get your waffle and pancakes, different types of noodles. Pretty much eggs any way you would like. They do have eggs cooked to order here, as well as cooked to order noodles. Take a quick look at all the hot food. The staff here inside of the restaurant were really on top of it, to be honest with you. Every morning, very friendly, checking to see how you were doing, making sure you had everything that you needed. One of the young ladies there was giving me a different type of morning drink pretty much every day to get me try different things. Did a great job there. And considering this is a Fairfield, I have to say this location is outstanding value for the money. Here you can see this gentleman's making some fresh eggs for us. And there's plenty of space as far as in the dining area. Here's a little bit of an advertisement for their restaurant, which we're about to check out. I came up here and had the dinner buffet one night, as well as had a cook-to-order dish during my stay. The food was all good. You can see that gentleman over there is grilling some stuff outside. They have live entertainment. But I would have to say what steals the show, and they don't do this every night, but if you can go when they have the dancers, nice dinner experience. We're going to end this video showing you a little bit of that. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Here's another video I think you might enjoy as well.